Hi, I'm Kiara. I'm 15. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm taking the arts and design course. We do a lot of different media, like we work with several different media, sculpture, painting, art, just drawing, which is a lot of fun. We've got lessons every day, and sometimes we work in groups, sometimes we work alone, but it always changes day to day. Specifically, I like the excursions out to museums, seeing different artworks and artists, and I also like the figure drawing that we've done, which I just like personally because it's very fun to do. Work with a lot of different medias, which I would not have worked with otherwise. Like sculpture, I would have probably never touched a model or any plasticine if it wasn't part of the course. But it actually turned out to be a lot more fun, and that's definitely broadened my range of artwork that I can do in my portfolio. Yeah, I think it definitely broadens, it pushes you out of your comfort zone and it broadens your portfolio, and I would say it builds cooperative skills, like you have to work with the other people, and drawing from life is always a good foundation, and it'll generally build up base skills that are pretty, fundamental to being an artist, which is, great.